Every year, the Granite Education Foundation, in partnership with the Granite School District, highlights 10 amazing educators in our school district, and one of them this year is from your school. That's a big deal. 1 out of over 8,000 educators. I've got one more thing that we're going to do this year with Excel that we've never done before. This year, every school that has an Excel winner, we had a donor step up, and every licensed educator will receive a $250 classroom grant. So that's for all of the teachers.